Hello, everyone! Let's learn English!
Real English phone call conversations. Speak without fear. Beginner practice. Do you feel confident in English? But freeze during a phone call? No face. No gestures. Just your voice. Today, you'll practice real phone call situations, not just hello, but full conversations you can use in real life. Let's start. In this lesson, you will learn real phone conversations, how to respond naturally, how to handle problems on a call. Speak with me. Repeat every line. Part 1. Calling a friend, casual conversation, telephone receiver conversation 1. Hello, this is Alex. Is this Ryan? Hi Alex, yes, this is Ryan speaking.
Hey Ryan, are you busy right now?
Not really. What's up?
I just wanted to check, are we still meeting today?
Yes, we are. I was just about to text you.
Great. What time should we meet?
Let's meet at 6 p.m. near the mall.
Perfect. See you there.
See you.
Useful phrases. Are you busy right now? What's up? Are we still meeting? Let's meet at. Repeat. Are you busy right now? Are we still meeting today? Let's meet at 6 p.m. Part 2. Calling a delivery service. Conversation 2. Hello, I'm calling about my order.
Sure. Can you tell me your order number?
Yes, it's 45821.
Thank you. One moment, please.
Okay.
Your order is on the way and will arrive in 20 minutes.
Oh, that's great. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Key phrases. I'm calling about. Can you tell me? One moment, please. It will arrive in. Repeat. I'm calling about my order. One moment, please. It will arrive soon. Part 3. Calling an office. E. Conversation 3. Hello, I'd like to speak to Mr. Jack, please.
May I ask who is calling?
This is Samuel from ABC Company. This is Samuel from ABC Company.
Please hold for a moment. Please hold for a moment.
Sure.
I'm sorry, he is not available right now.
Okay, can I leave a message?
Yes, of course.
Please tell him I called.
I will. Thank you.
Professional phrases. I'd like to speak to. May I ask who is calling? Please hold. Leave a message. Repeat. I'd like to speak to. Can I leave a message? He is not available. Part 4. Problem situation. N. Conversation 4. Hello, I need some help.
Sure, what's the problem?
My internet is not working.
I see. When did the problem start?
It started this morning.
Okay, please restart your router.
All right, I will try that.
Let me know if it works.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Useful phrases. I need some help. What's the problem? It started this morning. Let me know. Repeat. My internet is not working. I need help. Let me know if it works. Part 5. when you don't understand. Conversation 5. Sorry, I didn't understand that.
No problem, I will repeat.
Could you speak a little slower?
Sure, I will speak slowly.
Thank you, that helps.
You're welcome.
Confidence phrases. I didn't understand. Could you repeat? Speak a little slower. Part 6, ending the call. Conversation 6. All right, I have to go now.
Okay, talk to you later.
Thanks for your time.
No problem. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.
Final practice. Repeat. I'm calling about. Are you available? Can I leave a message? I didn't understand. Talk to you later. Daily tip. Practice phone conversations daily. Speak alone. Record your voice. Repeat conversations. Now you can handle real phone calls. Not just hello, but full conversations. Practice every day. And speak English without fear. Subscribe for more easy English lessons.